But what up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Storm Chase Rebirth. Touch it. Yeah, this game is really fun. Some things are kind of reasonable. But this game is really fun. Dude, they got some good-ass interceptors. Like, they got all these. Like, this is the Dominator 1. This is a black shoe. Like, look at that. That does not look like 2023 one. They got more of them. Oh shit. Oh wait. Oh, that's 2015. Oh, 2013 Dominator 3. Tight shit. Ooh, that don't look bad. Oh, yeah, that's the spikes. Oh, yeah, nice. And I'm the Tip 1. See, this is a badass looking Tip 1. I don't think the spikes go down, do they? Oh, they do. Yeah, this is cool because that's how the realistic Tip 1, the spikes go down. Yo, yeah, that's a realistic Tip 1 spikes going up. Shit. Oh, 2005 without the spikes, yeah. And they can actually open the hatches? Oh, hell yeah. I wonder what that turn looks like. Wait, can I rotate it? Oh, well. That's stuck. Oh. Wait, hold on. I can sit on there, I just did. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's a little too high, but it's not that bad. What the? Oh. Oh, they got the 2009? Oh shit, they do. Oh yeah, that definitely looks like the Storm Chasers, Tip 2. I like the 20 rally Tip too. That's badass. Yeah, that's a 2011. Wait, can he rotate? Oh, no, you can't. The RM Young Anti-Monitor right there. Mezzanette. Can't even stand him. Oh, look at it. Oh, it has the animation of the clothing. Oh, that's better. Damn, they got all the variants. 2013 on them. Oh, shit, that ain't nice. That ain't bad. Yeah, you can open the truck, I know that. Yeah, that's the animation. But yeah, look at this though. Like, you can't tell me this looks not good. It even includes the license plate and everything. Can I invite my friends? Oh, well. Some of my friends play on the phone. Because you need like an external controller to play, or like a PC. I'm using my backbone controller, which unfortunately costs $100. So if you have $100, I would probably buy this. It's basically like an Xbox controller, just on your phone. I could drive it and everything. It won't let me deploy it though, I don't know why. Dude, they got 2003 Tip 1. So what I spawned? Oh! Oh yeah, the 4-1 Dominator 2. Shit, yeah. It's not deploying. Hold on. It's not deploying. Uh-oh. I spawned a vehicle on top of the building. Yeah, this is my username if you want to add it. Right there, you can pause the video. I got my Springtrap skin. The Tiv. Shirt's so bright. National Weather Service. Oh, they got dog out? Oh, shit. Oh, wait, no way! They got racks? Oh, shit! Oh my god, I didn't even know they had racks full. Oh, shit, it looks just like it. I'd also put some on the walls. This is smart for me. I don't know where though, but. Oh, you got to get the radar. Oh, let's see. Oh, we're using that. Oh, it's fast. Wait, wait, I wonder. Is there like a. Oh, it's not like the Dow. Because they got the Doppler on wheel. Oh, they got the Doppler on wheel too. Oh, ooh, look at the spawn. Alright, do they have... Oh, no, they do. Oh, shit, that ain't a bad one. Is that the twisted one? I think it is. Looks like it. Yeah, we're definitely using this. Is there... no lights? Oh. Yeah, look at the regular. I'm gonna try to use it, but it's not. The radar not working. If it won't work, then I'm gonna use at least radar truck if that's the best. Oh, there it goes. It's fast. Alright, the storm looks like it's going this way. Ooh. Oh, rain. Any lowering? I feel like if there's any tornado, it's gonna either be right here or over there. This game doesn't have too many mountains, because I always have all these mountains. I mean, these hills. Oh, is that a lowering? Oh, there's a cone. Oh, there's a small ass cone. Oh, come on. Please? Ooh, still ain't bad, actually. Oh, thank God. Should I get a Dow intercept? Damn, I wish I could check the actual one too. I'll do that. Wait, is that the end of the map? Oh. Man, I'm hoping it ain't off the map. But yeah, there's another tornado over there. I hear it. I honestly don't know which way it's going. It's like a stovepipe. A big stovepipe. Oh, I'm trying to brake. Oh, towards me. Oh, no, it's not south. Looks like it's towards me. Oh, yeah, I think it is, right? Oh, it's up. Oh. Well, I don't know. Oh, that's not right at me. Boy! Get in the back. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Just staring at it. Alright. What intercept should we get? It's turning night, that's bad. I don't know. Let's do the Twistex rad truck. Wait, can you open the bag? Oh, you can. Right? Oh, shit. You do something.